Oh no! A monster!
There's no monster.
Denny, it's an earthquake. We need to move away from buildings.
Find somewhere safe.
That's too close to buildings.
Look, Denny found a park.
That's perfect. We're safe here.
Viv is worried.
Why is this happening? Did I do something wrong?
You didn't do anything wrong, sweetie. Earthquakes are caused by movements deep under the ground, and you feel the shaking because of it.
I'm scared.
It'll be okay. Listen to Dad.
Take a deep breath. Name 3 objects you can see.